Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have another tutorial showing how to make the final BT21 character named RJ, and he is a kind alpaca. So first we're going to make the head, and I'm taking some white clay and I'm rolling it into a mound shape. And I'm giving it 2 dot eyes, a W line smile, and a little triangular nose. Next, I'm giving it 2 little eyebrows, as well as 2 little ovals for blush. And once completed, you want to give it a nice pre-bake for 10 minutes, and here I have one that's already pre-baked. So once the face has been pre-baked, I'm adding some ovals of white clay all around the face to imitate the fur. Next for the body, I'm rolling out a fat cylinder out of white clay and I'm cutting off the end, which will be blended onto the body. For the arms and legs, we're going to take some white clay, roll into a thin cone, and cut off the end for the feet. And then we're going to cut it at a slant for the arms. And we're going to add the feet on the bottom of the body. And at the tips of each foot, we're going to add 2 little brown cones for the hooves. For the arms, we're going to blend it onto the side of the body and bend it so it looks like it's hugging itself. And at the tip of each arm, we're going to add 2 little brown cones for the hooves. For the ears, we're going to give it 2 little triangular stubs. For RJ's scarf, I cut out a really thin, skinny red triangle, and I'm going to wrap it around the neck. And where the scarves meet, I'm adding 2 little red teardrop shapes for the knot, and a little dot of red clay for the actual knot itself. And once completed, you want to bake according to instructions, and you should have your very own little kind alpaca named RJ. I didn't add a tail to RJ because I really couldn't find an image of his backside to see what the tail looks like. I assume it's like a little white dot, but I didn't want to take chances, so here is RJ tailless. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the rest of my BT21 series. Thank you!